The Curious Journey of Emily. Emily was a young girl who loved asking questions. One day, while walking in her small town, she saw a bird with vibrant feathers. Why do birds have different colors? She wondered. Instead of waiting for someone to answer, Emily rushed home, opened her laptop, and typed her question into the search bar. She discovered a fascinating article about how feathers reflect light and attract mates. That day, she learned a new word too: iridescence. From then on, Emily decided to educate herself whenever curiosity struck. She began watching documentaries on topics she didn't understand. One night, she stumbled upon a documentary about oceans. What does ecosystem mean? She asked herself. She paused the video, looked it up, and learned it was about the relationships between living things and their surroundings. Emily's curiosity didn't stop there. She picked up books from the library and read every day. Her favorite was a story about a young adventurer who traveled the world, discovering cultures and languages. Inspired, Emily decided to improve her English skills, thinking it would help her explore even more. At school, Emily's classmates often relied only on what the teacher taught. But Emily wanted to go beyond. She learned new vocabulary words daily, practiced speaking confidently, and wrote her thoughts in a diary. One of her entries read, "The world is my classroom, and I am the eager student." Years passed, and Emily grew up to be a well-spoken, knowledgeable person. Whenever she gave speeches or wrote articles, people admired her for her depth of knowledge and her ability to express herself. Emily always said, "Don't wait for someone to teach you everything. The answers are all around us if we just ask and seek." Her story teaches us that education isn't just in schools. It's everywhere. By being curious, exploring, and practicing English or any skill, anyone can grow into a confident and knowledgeable person. Moral: curiosity and self-education are the keys to unlocking a world of possibilities. Always ask, seek, and learn, especially in English, to express and share your knowledge.